Unlocking the world of libraries, the role of a serials librarian. The beating heart of every library is its collection of periodic materials. Newspapers, magazines, journals, all carefully curated by the serials librarian. This unsung hero of the library navigates the ever-evolving world of print and digital resources, ensuring accessibility to knowledge for every visitor. In the digital age, the role transforms but does not diminish. They manage e-journals, databases, and electronic books, broadening the scope of information one can access. Their meticulous work ensures the library remains a gateway to knowledge, a bridge connecting us to the world's wisdom. They curate, they catalog, they connect. They are the serials librarian, an essential figure in the realm of information and education. So, let's journey together into the world of libraries, appreciating the extensive, often unseen, duties of a serials librarian. Unlocking the power of periodicals, your ultimate resource guide. Begin your journey with our unique collection of periodicals, a treasure trove of knowledge tucked away in pages. Dive deeper as we conduct in-depth analysis and usage studies, illuminating the richness of our collection. Tune in to our engaging programs and presentations, specifically designed to introduce you to our periodicals, their importance, and usage. Benefit from our interactive activities, crafted to enhance your understanding and appreciation of the periodicals at your disposal. Watch how we establish valuable connections with faculty, students, and other users, ensuring the collection meets everyone's needs. Follow us as we assist users in locating and utilizing these resources effectively, maximizing their benefits. Join us in celebrating the power of periodicals, your ultimate resource guide to a world of knowledge.